So, Shiny Chechi, Joel, Nikhil, and all of you family, you've been part of this community all these years, all these years. It is a great honor for him, all of you, and Nikhil, including you, watching you growing. And Sakriya Chetan, I used to play volleyball with him, and after losing your dad, you were a rock for Shiny Chechi, and Joel got the job, worked hard, now getting ready for starting a new domestic church, your own. And so as a community, I just want to say all the best wishes to Joel, everything, like all the blessings of our community, and when you are there, like now he is in the pastoral council and helping our community to make it really awesome. He never said no to anything, and so I just want to say I've been praying for Joel, and I wish I am there. Spiritually, I am 100% there with at the engagement. I will make sure that I will be there for the wedding. I wanted to be there. So I'm really, really happy for Joel and Shiny Chechi and Neil and Shiny Chechi Amma and Shiny Chechi and the kids make an awesome travel India and have an awesome, beautiful time. And all this our community is praying for you and awesome engagement. And then I will see you back here in the US for the, if God willing, for the beautiful wedding celebration. Thank you.
Thank you, Father.
Please join me thanking and everything Joel did and Joel doing, and all the best wishes to Joel. Please.
Thank you, sir.